room and instantly being captivated by intricate geometric designs that draw your eye. What if I told you that these stunning patterns could be made from contrasting wood types, adding warmth and character to your space? Today, we're diving deep into the world of geometric wood wall panels. These designs are not just visually striking. They can transform any room into a work of art. In a world filled with bland walls, let's explore how geometric wood panels can elevate your home decor. First, let's talk about what geometric wood wall panels are. These panels consist of various shapes and forms arranged in a pattern that creates a dynamic visual impact. They can be either carved from a single piece of wood or assembled from different types of wood joined together. It's like creating a puzzle for your wall, where each piece plays a role in the overall masterpiece. But why choose wood? Wood brings warmth into a space, making it feel cozy and inviting. It also offers a wide variety of textures and shades, allowing for endless design possibilities. Next, let's discuss the contrasting wood types that are often used. You can mix and match lighter woods like maple with deeper shades like walnut for a striking effect. This contrast not only highlights the geometric patterns, but also adds depth to the design. Now, what are some popular geometric patterns you can find in wood wall panels? Triangles, a classic choice. Triangles can be arranged to create a dynamic, flowing pattern. Hexagons. Known for their modern appeal, hexagons can bring a trendy touch to any space. Octagons. These shapes can add a unique sophistication, often seen in more elaborate designs. Custom shapes. You can even create your own unique designs if you're feeling adventurous. Imagine the possibilities when combining these shapes with different stains and finishes. Each panel can become a statement piece, showcasing your unique style. Now, let's talk about the installation process. To start, measure your wall space to determine how many panels you'll need. Next, choose your wood type and design based on the atmosphere you want to create. After that, you'll need to prep your wall by cleaning and possibly applying a base coat of paint. Once that's done, you can start laying out the panels on the floor to visualize how they will look. When you're happy with the arrangement, it's time for installation. Use adhesive or nails to secure each panel, ensuring they fit snugly together. Lastly, consider adding a finishing touch, like a sealant to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. What if you're not a DIY person? Don't worry, there are plenty of professionals who specialize in wood wall installations. With a little research, you can find someone in your area who can bring your vision to life. Let's not forget about maintenance. Taking care of wood panels doesn't have to be complicated. Regular dusting and an occasional deep clean with a mild wood cleaner will keep them looking fresh. If you notice any scratches, you can often just sand them lightly and reapply the finish. Now, let's talk about where you can use these geometric wood panels in your home. Living room. Create a stunning focal point behind the sofa. Bedroom. Use panels behind the bed for a serene, stylish headboard. Office. A geometric wood wall can inspire creativity and focus. Dining area. Make your dining space inviting with a lovely wood design. The possibilities are truly endless. Did you know that geometric wood panels can also work in commercial spaces? From restaurants to boutiques, businesses are using these designs to create memorable atmospheres. They can help tell a brand's story while attracting customers with their aesthetic appeal. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What designs are you most excited about? Have you tried using geometric wood panels in your space? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback can inspire others who are considering trying this trend. Outro. So, to sum it all up, geometric wood wall panels are not just a design choice. They are a way to bring life and warmth into your space. With endless patterns and contrasting wood types, your walls can become a canvas for your creativity. Whether you decide to take the DIY approach or hire a professional, the result will surely be a stunning enhancement to your home. Thanks for watching.